everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be doing a product unboxing and review of this gaming computer desk that SEDETA sent me. This is the 66-inch L-shaped desk, but it also can convert along the wall, so straight across, which will bring it to close to around 94 inches. So I'm very excited to set this up and go over the feature with you guys in case you are interested in purchasing this particular computer desk for yourself or for your loved one directly from Amazon. So there's currently 4 options here. So what I'm deciding to do, since I'm taking across the complete wall between option B and D, the only difference that I'm seeing is that the cabinets are on the left and one is on the right. So I think I'm going to go with option D.
So the first thing I did was start to take down my desk and move everything around, but the SEDETA desk came well packaged with all the parts clearly labeled. The white finish is very clean and modern, and I can instantly see the quality in the material. It includes a file drawer, printer shelf, LED light strip, power outlets, USB ports, and a monitor shelf all in one setup. So the assembly took around 1.5 to 2 hours with the simple tools, and the instructions were very easy to follow. If you've built furniture before, this will be no problem for you, and yes, all the hardware is included. So with my son's help, I was able to get this desk assembled actually in 45 minutes, which is awesome. If you're in the market for a sleek all-in-one workstation, this is a great desk.
So he is assembling the desk and it's very long. I'm very happy with the quality so far. So I just can't wait to get it set up and put everything on it, and then especially add the LED lights. I feel like that's going to actually make it pop and give it that gaming touch. Okay, so since I did choose the option to actually run it straight across, there will be an extra piece, which is 25 here. This is just a piece to make an L shape. So I'm going to put this aside because we don't need this.
So these LED lights are fully controlled via Bluetooth using a free app. You can customize the color brightness and even set the dynamic mode like fade, strobe, or pulse. Perfect for content creators, gamers, and or late night work vibes. And yes, you can sync your music as well.
So I have everything completely set up thanks to my son's help, and I'm really loving the look and the aesthetics of this desk. I love how the LED strip kind of runs from side to side. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the lights and I'll go over a few features with you guys. Oh yes, I like that. Very pretty. And like I said, it doesn't take up a lot of room. I'm used to my old computer desk from the back here to the front having a 28-inch depth, but this one has like an 18.5, which is actually, I feel like it's perfect. I get a lot of space. It kind of opened up the space a little bit right here. So it's like more room in my office. So I really do love that. There is this cabinet down here, and these are for like file folders. There is a section right here to where you can kind of adjust the size of the file folder when you're actually inputting them in here, like if you have like a little long one, short one, however, or you could just use this as a storage drawer. You have a little compartment under here to kind of add a few things, maybe store some books, add some papers, some designs. Then you have a cabinet on top, or a little shelf on top, which I just added a box for now because this is all the stuff I have to actually review. They give you this little container. It's kind of like a plush container. So, you know, you can put something in here. It also has Velcro. I just threw something in there for now. And yeah, I really do love the aesthetics of this desk. As far as the setup process, again, like my son had to help me with this. I was taking a very long time setting this up, but my son seemed to have gotten it pretty quickly. He set this desk up within like an hour, so like he was really quick. So I'm very thankful for that. I almost forgot to add that I do have 2 USB ports here, and then it has 4 outlets directly on top of the desk, which I really like because I have to go under my desk a lot to kind of change around cords, and you know that can get a little frustrating. So the fact that it's on top of the desk and it's literally right next to my keyboard for me to actually hook up my phone or any other accessories is a plus. But other than that, I really do love this desk. So if you guys are very interested in this desk and want to add this to your personal studio or to your space, or even for your kids' space, this will be the perfect desk for them. And it's very affordable, which I love. I love an affordable desk that gives me that nice, pretty appeal. and then also, like I said, doesn't break my pockets. So if you guys enjoyed this review and enjoyed this unboxing, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. I also have a link to this desk in the description box below if you are interested.